Hi there. Today we're going to be catching an Emirates flight in business class from Malé in the Maldives to Dubai. We'll be travelling on a Boeing 777-300ER. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to receive timely updates. Okay, all aboard on our international flight from Malé, Maldives to Dubai International. We took this trip in mid-February 2022. So I'm pretty sure that the plane you see there is not flying right now, certainly not internationally. Anyway, we're all settled in and ready to take off.
If necessary, oxygen masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you to your right so that we will not have to disturb you. Take off and land.
Because we switch back and then we have to take it away. So
Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight.
So I've had our pre-takeoff drink, settled in on EK 659, Malé to Dubai. Flying time is just 3.5 hours. Here we go. So that was a pretty shaky takeoff for a large aircraft like a 777. It seems like there's a lot of investment going into the airport terminal here at Malé. They probably need to do a little smoothing on the runway. Anyway, we're up and away. The seating configuration in business class on the 777 is 232. Which is not that great, but the seats themselves are comfortable. We have these little dividers between the two seats on the aisle side. They're also between the three seats in the middle. Splendid view as you take off from Malé. I don't think it matters which side of the aircraft you're sitting on because the whole area is just beautiful. So the flight time remaining to Dubai is around 3.5 hours. So time to sit back and enjoy business class on a 777. Now the seating arrangement on a 777 isn't as nice as the A380, but the food is excellent. Looks like I didn't film this in the right order, but we have a chicken, we have a chocolate mousse for dessert, some smoked duck and a bread roll. My partner has a chicken curry, the chocolate mousse as well, some hummus and tomatoes, and of course the bread roll. Before you know it, the meal is over and it's time to approach Dubai. And there you have it, a quick 4-hour flight from Malé to Dubai International. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit like if you appreciate my content. It really helps me out. Thanks.